man customs in this massive shop, and just did a bunch of work on the Tesla, and they're building a bunch of stuff. SEMA's a few weeks away, and there's a lot of stuff going on at the shop.
This is a shop where not open to the public. I only work on very slim amount of clients and kind of just the builds I want to work on. But it was a pleasure. You know, I always like working on your vehicle. Glad I could get you taken care of.
I feel lucky that he's even working on my vehicle. So it's true, the address is not online, phone number not online. They're picking the vehicles they want to work on. They gotta like you first. Their day in the life of these guys. Nissan hard body, bed is going on.
That's actually out getting some stuff done on it.
That's cool.
We're doing the new chassis for it right now. At minimum 600 horsepower. And it's going to be the Lambo style turbo. So you'll see the turbines out the low pan.
Wow. This thing is super cool. Super sick hitting over here.
Yeah.
Oh, get that white truck over there.
Yeah, so this is in the center, right?
That thing is so nasty. I could trade you the Tesla for this thing. Oh my god.
Yeah. Bag bodied on 8. Turns lock to lock laid out. On nitrous. So still got interior to finish on it, and then other than that, it's pretty much done.
Those are 28s?
Yeah.
Lays body on 28s. This thing's crazy.
Yep.
You said it turns on 20, like lay it out?
Yep. You can air it this high off the ground and do U-turns.
What?
Yep.
And even the wheels are air brushed?
Yeah.
This thing's crazy.
It's rear suicide door. So when it opens, you know,
Yeah.
all you see is B-pillar.
Oh, one day. You know I'm a truck guy, right?
Yeah. I don't know if you guys remember this truck, infamous Toy Rover.
Wow. Old school truck.
This belongs to one of my buddies.
This goes to that other truck out
this
there.
goes to Asphalt Surfer. So this is all like Range Rover headlights, taillights, stuff like that.
Yeah, I do remember this truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the Range Rover stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, that's so cool.
You know, and so we're in the process of redoing a lot of all this. This whole center section's all new that mounts all the air ride batteries, tanks.
Suicide door.
Wow.
That thing's cool. So cool. I'll trade you right now. That thing is awesome.
Yeah, you ever want to see what a Tesla looks like apart? It's outside.
Yeah, we got to go film that. Hey, so basically, they're taking this Y and they're putting it into a Ford 250?
No, it's going to be a 61 F100 unibody.
You heard it first.
So
that car's going to turn on and think it's a Tesla.
exactly. It'll run all the cameras, you know, all the Tesla programming. It'll be 100% electric. The seats, the dash, the door handles.
You're taking the whole dash out and everything and putting it in the truck.
Yeah.
What?
So all the Tesla interior will be in the truck.
That's going to be crazy. And the due date on this is in a couple years?
About a couple years.
Yeah, I was going to say, this is going to take some time.
Yeah. Right now we're in the process of disassembling things, seeing what it requires to run, what shuts it down, like, you know, it's a new world for us.
Yo, I know. You disconnect something, it might not, the computer might not like it, right?
So like we found, like you disconnect the seat belts
Oh, I don't
and
like that.
those sensors go off, the car doesn't run.
It's just mind-blowing, this project over here.
Yeah.
She still runs and drives just the way she is.
Man, we got to get some video of us driving this thing.
Why not?
I'll go get the keys.
Yeah, go get the key. Let's do some video.
It's F100.
Super cool. I like that.
Yeah. So with a utility box in it, you can open it up.
Oh, wow, the interior is super nice. Clean. Yeah, that's nice.
Like full digital dash, Dakota digital. It has vintage air in it, so it has heat, AC. Has Bluetooth stereo in it.
Wow.
So you can't see any of the stereo components, like operating components.
Gotcha. This thing's really cool.
Yeah, it's got a 2021 Camaro motor in it.
What? See the little symbol there.
So it's basically a modern chassis, drivetrain, all the convenience of the modern world with an old body on it.
You would never know cruising down the street that this thing
Driving
can
it
smoke
doesn't
your
feel
life.
like you're driving a classic truck.
What the?
Chauffeur's here.
Look at this freaking thing. Can you believe this thing actually runs and everything?
And
Crazy.
how many miles does it have on it?
503 miles.
It's brand freaking
Wow.
Oh my.
I think it fell off a transport truck or something.
Yeah, did it took some damage a little bit?
Yeah.
But well, since we're not using the body
Yeah, not
or
using the
frame or
body.
anything,
Yeah.
but we're literally taking every single thing that's Tesla, the dash, AC, steering, console, the cameras, everything that's in there, and putting it in a 62 F100 unibody. And when it plugs in, it will still think it's a Tesla Y.
That's insane. Is that the world's first?
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think anyone else
It'll be
is
the
doing
first
that.
one that everything Tesla is going into a truck.
Crazy. Always wanted to do that. Oh. Gotcha. Stock floor. I've never had a traditional.
I just hate that there's no headroom.
Yeah. I'm not the tallest guy in the world, so it doesn't bother me that much, but I get what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah, I quit doing traditionals early 2000s.
I think everybody did. Who
Well, the time it
who comes
takes-
in is like, give me a traditional.
Well, the problem is people think they're saving money to do the traditional, but by the time you cut the floor out, sheet metal work, all this, just build a full frame.
Yeah.
Because you still got to build, you know, a back half and do the front and just do a full frame and be done with it. I'll have fun with it, and you know, if you have any issues, you're
Gotcha.
warranty with everything, so
Hell yeah.
I take care of it.
Hopefully next time I'm back, I'm bringing my truck. What?
Yeah, get your wrap.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
like a lot of the wrap's not good anymore. See where it's kind of,
Yeah. I was
see
wondering
where it's been?
I don't know why it's
See,
doing that.
the backing has come off, so it's not really sticky behind there.
Gotcha.
And it's through the whole thing, so I had to cut like little
Gotcha.
sections out.
I don't know why it started doing that.
I think because it wasn't tied around the tube.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right.
So at least it's a small amount.
Gotcha.
You know.
How many of this is usable? Like, you think I could wrap like a door with it?
No.
No. Okay. So I need to buy more of this. I need to buy more of this. And this is the one that's like limited edition, so I need to be careful or they won't sell it to me.
Yeah.
Shit. Yeah, I want to do new wheels on this thing eventually. I don't know what. See, I'm just like you. I don't know what the fuck I want to do.
I mean, I've built so much over the years. I think I've built my favorites already, and
What was your favorite build ever? That's a tough question.
probably the C10. Yeah, my 76 C10 was probably my favorite. Yeah.
Let's go look at that thing. I didn't even look at it. Might as well. That's the only vehicle I didn't see. It's like hidden over here.
Yeah, this is the one that came in for a simple bag job, and now
You guys are doing everything? That's funny. Well, I think customers probably come in here and they're like, yeah, I just want to do this. And then they see you guys. They see the work, the professionalism, what's possible. And they start, hey, let's just do everything.
so did a smooth firewall on it.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah. Whole new front kit by Chad Chris.
Yeah, that's nice. It's going to be crazy. And this only wanted what?
This was only a simple bag job.
Now it's like...
Now it's all vintage air, LS motor, bags, wheels.
Dang.
Doing a lot of rust repair on the floors and stuff like that. It's hard to see it now because of all the sound deadening and crazy. Yeah, but like this whole section here is all new. That to here is all brand new, all the way up here on both sides.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, hiding all the electronics up under the dash.
This is on hydraulics?
Yeah.
Does it go ZZZ? Hydraulics seem funner than that, no? Or
Sometimes.
way faster. I like the sound in them.
Yeah.
How fucking quick it is, dude.
Yeah. And it's all hydraulic, running off of air ride controllers, AccuAir.
Really? What?
Yeah, it's got AccuAir controllers and everything.
He used to do different designs because he has 5-axis seats.
Yeah, you can just cut out anything.
Yeah.
That's super cool.
But he back in the day, he made all the stuff in his tents.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
So,
he's
like,
the one that makes the best ever.
Would you have a 5-link on your S10 back then?
I think so. Yeah, I used to have a reverse, like 3-link with a wishbone. I broke that all the time, and then they rebuilt it. I forgot what I had. But I have another mini truck in my house. Yeah. I was talking to him. I don't know. I bought the Carfax on that car. It was built out of Florida, and I don't know how. I don't know. I looked underneath it. It looks solid, but it's not a. It's traditional.
Yeah.
So I'm not used to that.
Yours was stock Ford back
Yeah,
then?
stock Ford. How would they cut the frame off after
it's
the
way
engine and
faster
redid the whole thing?
Way faster.
Yeah, it's a 48. Well, I mean,
I
it's
think
always
it's cool.
48, but I
Well,
think the new batteries.
I think we're good. I think we got enough video. We're live. OMC, Old Man Customs. Super exciting, man. This place is crazy. Next time I see you, I might be whipping something else. I'm not even sure, but we're excited. Until then, catch me in this thing. And more videos coming your way. Shout out Angelo, the man, the myth, the guy behind the lens. Hit him up if you need any dope-ass video work, whatever your mind can think of. This guy's already on it. And yeah.